Now, over to Europe, what struck today? Well, guys, out here at the Mid-Atlantic Ridge, we saw activity strike, and we saw activity strike up in Poland, right along our plate boundary, right at our red arrow progression line. Now, the reason earthquake struck there is, over the past couple days, take a look down to the east. Okay, so all that activity I talked about yesterday, plus a new earthquake up here at the crescent-shaped lake that we were talking about when I got shut off last night. Well, that pressure goes right over to the west, and it hit in Poland. So our 4.5, and we're definitely talking about the 4.5, pressing over to the west, exciting things to the north. But down to the south, last night, also, I would like to point out, the 4.0 earthquake we were looking for to strike in Italy, it hit. And it hit pretty much right on spot. Now, the magnitude they went with was a half magnitude less than what was originally reported. So it was a 4.6, 4.5 to 4.6. And you may remember we issued the warning for a 4.7. So whether or not they could do the downgrade, central Italy was hit yesterday. That relieved the pressure. But there's new pressure coming in. And we have another day to go. So by tomorrow night, that would be the third going into the fourth, we should be seeing at least a 5.0 striking here near Crete, in between Crete and Cyprus yet once again. That'll reprime things up for Italy. Now, why are we looking for a 5 in South Europe? Well, guys, we have our deep earthquake right here, and this doesn't even count what the Russians are showing. Let's go check the Russian agency really quick. Okay, so again, this feed is thanks to Squeaks and MC Player, two of our dedicated professionals here. And take a look at it, guys. When you see what the Russians reported over the last day and a half, you're going to notice something here. Or if you don't notice it, let me point it out to you. There's a progression of 4s going across Siberia, China, Mideast, going into South Europe over the past 2 days. Now, not all these earthquakes were reported by the USGS. Russians are reporting a few of these quakes. So we have to go to them to get the information because USGS is not reporting everything. But if you do see it, you can see the progression that has gone on over the past couple days. It follows our line of progression. Well, this is all going to happen again. With this new round of deep earthquakes happening now, it means over the next several days, things are going to be excited for the whole dang planet.